A few examinations express being in a heartfelt relationship is the same than having over-the-top habitual problem. Biochemically, keeping a fantasy diary can help you figure out how to lose a fantasy. Assuming that you begin overlooking individuals you are near, they will want to naturally to give you to an ever-increasing extent. Consideration. Dear loved ones are the most significant wellspring of a kid's satisfaction. More intelligent individuals will generally misjudge themselves. Uninformed individuals think they are simply splendid. Hyperthymesia makes certain individuals recollect the entire lives. Rehashing your fantasies and goals in your psyche really pushes and empowers you to accomplish. Individuals who swear a great deal will quite often be more legitimate, steadfast, and forthright with their companions. Higher earnings are by and large related with lesser bitterness, yet not more joy. Dreams convey more weight and importance than our cognizant considerations. While alert 70 of your fantasies contain secret messages, as per a review. Residing in a spot with a great deal of woods and water body perceivability is emphatically related with lower levels of misery. Keen individuals will more often than not care less about the assessments of others. They, moreover, appreciate being separated from everyone else. As a result of incredible sense of self. Unfamiliar, you love your heart sync up. Agreeing to explore. From researchers, the cells in your body respond to all that your psyche says. Antagonism cuts down your invulnerable framework. Most established kids really do get an intelligence level and semantic benefit, since guardians center around the more. Listen cautiously to how an individual talks about others to you. This is precisely the way that they will talk about you to others. There are two methods for managing thistles. Furthermore, insidious individuals, one is to pound them, and the other is to avoid them. Hearing the words "I love you" is an extraordinary articulation to a young lady that she cycle is lovely.